Welcome to the Kingdom Wayfinder, and today we're going to be analyzing the Pirates of the Caribbean reveal trailer for Kingdom Hearts 3 that came out over a week ago. Now that E3 has settled and we pretty much got most news on the game, now I will finally get into actually making videos about everything that we've gotten. Now, as of the time of this recording, Nomura is actually still coming out with new things to say about the game, like, yes, Aqua is indeed ignored and whatnot, this, and that. Talking about why the game got delayed to January and stuff like that. All that stuff, and I will make videos on those in due time. But for now, we gotta get these analysis videos out of the way. So let's just start right on with this trailer of what we got. So of course we have the quote, the light is gathering together hearts driven by one oath and purpose. And we start off the trailer with Sora singing A Pirate's Life for Me, and they got freaking outfits. They got pirate outfits now. They didn't have that in Kingdom Hearts 2. They look awesome. They look mighty clean. It looks really nice, honestly. And then they don't have a boat, they only got a little raft. So then we see the Black Pearl, and then there's Jack. Now, one of the things that was confirmed actually was that this is going to be based off at World's End, which I believe was the third movie, but here is the entire crew. They look clean. We got everyone now. Barbossa is back. There's Will. Elizabeth's back, and we got obviously new people. And then let's just pause right here. And now new people, obviously new to the Kingdom Hearts series. That's what I mean, not new characters in general, but regardless. So one of the things that we can see here is Wind Chasers and Tidal Wave. So I'm not too sure if that's going to be something that is in regards to the ship itself, like with the Black Pearl, or if it's something that Sora's just going to do on his own. I don't think we've seen that. So regardless, you can actually fight other pirate ships and stuff like that. Like you can. Like, it's an actual, like, this is something I wish they did in Kingdom Hearts 2, but I understand why they didn't because of limitations and whatnot with the PS2. I just think that was the reason why. I'm glad they're doing it with this in Kingdom Hearts 3 because it really needed it. So they are just bodying everyone. Honestly, it's awesome. And then you can actually go to other ships too, which is pretty dope. So we got some Heartless here. We got Sora's new Keyblade with new Keyblade transformations. Honestly, this looks like the most powerful fucking Keyblade in the game so far. And then while running, and then diving. This was something that was mentioned, is that you will have underwater combat and whatnot. They showed it there. Jump out of the water, shot lock, and you can ride Heartless now, which is pretty damn cool. And then we have this thing, which has a lot of health. Then Sora's diving onto the Rainbow Road. And then we have Luke Sword. Luke Sword is back. He's one of the 13 Seekers of Darkness. So there he is. He's also looking for a black box, and it was confirmed that Jack is looking for a black box too. So that's pretty interesting. I'm actually curious why Jack's looking for it. So this makes. Let me just pause here. I just want to talk about this for 1 second. This makes 3 groups trying to find this black box. We got Peter Maleficent, the organization, and Jack himself. Or Jack and his crew, sorry. So it's really interesting. Honestly, just looking at the graphics here, like, they look really realistic. Like, holy shit. And then we got more of Olympus. Let me just rewind that right quick because I want to show the Titans, because we got all the Titans. Now, the Rock Titan is not there because we already bodied him and stuff like that, or you will already have bodied him, as we saw in the E3 demo. So we have the... okay, I can't remember the Titans' names. Like, we got the Rock Titan, the Ice Titan, and then the Lava Titan. I think he's called the Lava Titan, and then the Tornado Titan. I'm pretty sure that's the names. But I never ever got the names of the Lava Titan and the Tornado Titan. I'm pretty sure that's what they're called, though. The Ice Titan, Rock Titan, yeah. So here's the thing, though. The Rock Titan and the Ice Titan have been in Kingdom Hearts in the past. We've seen, you know, the Ice Titan as a secret boss fights and the Rock Titan and whatnot. and whatnot in Kingdom Hearts 1. The Tornado Titan and the Lava Titan have never been in the series before, so this is kind of like a first time I've seen them. And if you guys don't know already, the plot in Olympus this time around is going to be based around near the climax of the movie, where Hades went and he brought the Titan all the Titans back, and they went to go attack Olympus and everything. That's basically what they're basing the plot off of Olympus in Kingdom Hearts 3. It's off of the climax of the movie Hercules. So there's that. We have all of them there. They look awesome. They look clean. Herc just jumps right down. And then we got more Toy Story, a cutscene we haven't seen yet. The aliens get snatched. And then we see Elsa. So we have more of Elsa, Frozen, sorry. Elsa runs away. And then we see more of Tangled. We see Rapunzel. We see Eugene. And we see Max. And more Monsters Inc. This is actually what we've seen. We've seen snippets of this. And then we see more of this. Like, we've seen in the Don't Think Twice trailer, all that stuff. Like, Sully holding Mike and everything. Now we actually see why he was. Like, we knew why, but, now we see it. So then we have Larxene, who was already confirmed to be 13 Secrets of Darkness through the Frozen trailer. This is kind of just an extended scene to that one scene in the Frozen trailer. So there's that, and then this, another extended scene. This is at the end of their conversation with Ansem and Xehanort and whatnot, saying, set your heart free. And then we got Xigbar, who is back. We already knew he was back. We knew he was back since Dream Drop Distance. Him, Ansem, and Xehanort, and then obviously there's young Xehanort. But out of the three returning at the time, because young Xehanort was the quote-unquote newcomer and stuff like that, we already knew they were returning. But we finally see Xigbar. He was in the orchestra trailer, which I might do an analysis on, or I will. Sorry, not might. And then he's talking about how Swords of War is right around the corner. And then what do we see? We see our boy Lee looking clean. We see Kyrie with her new outfit. And she cut her hair again. So she's back with that Kingdom Hearts 1 hairstyle. And then we got Riku. And then Repla Riku. And then the title, Kingdom Hearts 3. And then January 29th, 2019 for the PS4 and the Xbox One. So with that being said, guys, that's basically it. There isn't really what's the word I'm looking for? There isn't really anything else in the trailer. That was basically it. I like what they're doing with the trailers now, is that when they reveal a new world, they're also kind of throwing some story plot in there, which I like. It's not just, hey, here's the world and whatnot, and you don't really get that much plot. Like, for example, the Toy Story reveal and the Monsters Inc. reveal, and even the Tangled reveal back in 2015. Like, they kind of just revealed the world, that was it, and showed some gameplay of already revealed worlds as well, like more gameplay and whatnot. And they didn't really show off any story, but now they're kind of showing more. They're doing a nice mix of revealing the world, showing more of worlds we already know about, and then also showing some story plots in there, but not too spoilery at the same time, of course. So with that being said, the direction they're doing with the trailers, I like it. It's really nice. So yeah, that's basically it for this video. Let me know in the comment section below what you think of pirates returning in Kingdom Hearts 3. It's going to be called, the world is going to be called the Carribean. It's not going to be called Port Royal, because we're not in Port Royal this time. We're going to be going around the Caribbean and whatnot, because this is going to be based off of At World's End, as confirmed by Nomura and Square Enix. So yeah, like this video if you enjoyed it, share it out with other Kingdom Hearts fans, subscribe if you haven't already, and may your heart be your guiding key.